As always, I've been trying to earn money by using cash apps. Hey, I'm Sergi and today I have one more review for you. The app is called EasyWall. Let's dive in and test if it's really easy. From the very start, they are trying to hook me up by sending 30 cents to my PayPal account. And indeed, I received it, but that's far from enough to convince me that it's real app. I need to cash out much more to be sure. So you see, there is a spin wheel in the right upper corner, and I tried it and I won $1 and I received it as well. You can spin that wheel only once a day. I've tried several days and other times I won only virtual money. So at this point I have received $1.30, but it's still not enough. So in order to earn virtual money, I need to install apps from the Discover section. Also, I received virtual money by playing apps. After play other apps, I go back to this app, to the My Apps section and click Collect. Then I go to Redeem section. Here I can see how much virtual money I've made. In order to cash out, I need to install more apps and play more. Then goes the approving stage. Again, I need to install more apps. It's kinda app hell. And finally it got to check-in stage. And the message is saying rewards will be sent within 1 to 3 business days. Let's wait. Here we go. 3 business days passed and the message changed to there are 4,657 players in front of me. I see. It reminds me of another app that I tested recently. Well guys, this is a fake app for me. If you have different results, let me know in the comments. At least, if you want to get $1.30, you may want to download it. After that, delete it and forget it. Also, I've tried to uninstall and download it again to receive $1.30 again, but it didn't work. Maybe I'll have my luck with another app.